Looks like Boo Boo has adjusted just fine. It's 102 degrees in Louisiana, folks. It is a scorcher. But air conditioner's working fine, and it's warm in this camper now. It's not a house, but it's bearable for 103 degrees. That's Boo Boo Kitty. And this, Lukey. Say hi. It's Luke. Lukey. You like your new home? You like your new home? Isn't he beautiful? When I found him, he was living underneath my RV in Colorado. And his mom had a litter underneath a 38-foot motorhome I had, and I saw him around the corner, and I just thought, oh my gosh. I saw his eyes, and he looked at me, and I looked dead in his eyes, and he was no bigger than a big rat, and he just had this frozen eyes on me, but I saw the color of his eyes, and I immediately scooped him up and threw him inside the camper, and he's been with me ever since. And believe it or not, Siamese are more obedient and dedicated than any other cat. They've been compared to dogs in the way they protect and honor their master, so to speak. Getting all the vehicles together. I'm going to put the solar panels right there on Stella. And that's today. Got to get the Astro moved. It's my brother's truck. Just got my mom's car detailed for selling. She's not going to take it to Illinois. And we're making some progress. It's a lot of stuff in this house, or this condo. Dumpster, gardening stuff, oil spill, stuff that's gonna go on the moving truck. And there's my tools I gotta put in Stella. That's a big old armoire. It took 3 people to bring in here. It's gonna take 3 people to get out. It's heavy. It is heavy. Got the cats moved, as you could see. All 3 of them. It's a nice place. Really is. Gonna miss it.